Hello and welcome back to Daily English Conversations.
Hi everyone. We are so glad you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very practical video for you. We are going to practice how to take a taxi in English.
Yes, this is a real-life situation that you will use when you travel.
The CFR level for today's dialogue is A2. This means it uses simple, clear, and everyday language.
If you are a beginner or pre-intermediate learner, this video is perfect for you.
In this dialogue, we will practice hailing a taxi, giving a destination, asking about the fare, and paying.
Pay close attention to the phrases we use. They are very common and useful.
Are you ready to start? Let's jump into the dialogue.
Let's go. Keep listening and repeat the phrases after us if you want to practice your speaking.
Taxi. Taxi. Oh, perfect. It is stopping right here. Hello.
Hello. Please step inside. Be careful, watch your head on the door frame.
Thank you very much. The weather is so hot and humid today. The air conditioning in here feels amazing.
Yes, it is a very warm summer day today. I always keep the air conditioner on high for my passengers. So where can I take you today?
Can you take me to the Grand Central Hotel, please? It is in the city center.
Yes, the Grand Central Hotel downtown. It is on Park Avenue, right next to the Central Plaza. I know the location very well.
Yes, that is the exact one. I have an important business meeting there in about an hour, so I want to make sure I get there on time.
Don't worry, we will get you there safely and quickly. Please make sure you put on your seatbelt for safety.
Okay, I have my seatbelt fastened. Thank you for reminding me. Is the traffic bad in the city right now?
The traffic is a bit heavy near the main bridge because of some construction, but it should be clear after we get past that area.
That is good to hear. I was a bit worried when I saw the time, and I did not want to be late for this client meeting.
You do not need to worry. We have plenty of time, and I will choose the best lanes to avoid the biggest delays.
Can you drop me off right at the main entrance of the hotel, please? I have 2 heavy suitcases in the trunk.
Yes, of course. I can pull up right next to the lobby doors and the bellhop station so you do not have to carry your bags very far.
That would be absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. We are on our way now.
Excuse me, how long do you think it will take to get to the hotel from here?
With the current traffic conditions, I estimate it should take about 20 to 25 minutes.
25 minutes is perfect. That gives me some time to prepare my notes. And how much do you think the fare will be?
It usually costs around $25, but it depends on the taxi meter and how long we stand in traffic.
Okay, that is a reasonable price. By the way, which route are you planning to take to get there?
I was thinking of taking the highway. It is usually the fastest way, but there is a $2 toll that will be added to the fare.
Actually, could we take the scenic route through the Central Park instead? I have some extra time, and I would love to see the trees and flowers.
Sure, we can definitely go through the park. It is a very beautiful drive, especially at this time of the day when the sun is setting.
Thank you. I prefer a quieter and more peaceful drive, and the park is always so lovely and relaxing compared to the highway.
No problem at all. I will take the park entrance up ahead. It might add a couple of minutes to the trip, but the view is much better.
That is totally fine with me. I do not mind the extra minutes. I appreciate you changing the route for me.
It is my pleasure. The park road is definitely better than sitting in bumper-to-bumper highway traffic anyway.
Oh, look, there is the park entrance. The green trees look so beautiful and refreshing.
Yes, it is one of the best and most famous parts of the city. We are almost at the hotel now, just a few blocks away.
Great. I can see the tall glass building of the hotel from here. It is very modern.
Yes, that is the Grand Central Hotel right in front of us. The architecture is impressive.
Excellent. We arrived even faster than I expected. The scenic route was a great choice.
Here we are, right at the main entrance as you requested.
Perfect. What is the total price showing on the meter?
The total fare comes to $26.50.
Okay. Do you accept credit cards? I do not have much cash on me today.
Yes, I accept all major credit cards. You can tap or insert your card on the terminal screen right there in the back seat.
Okay, let me tap my card on the reader. There, it beeped and says approved.
Excellent. The transaction went through successfully.
The total was $26.50. Let's make it $30. Keep the change as a tip.
Thank you very much. That is very kind and generous of you. I appreciate it.
You are very welcome. Could I also have a receipt, please? I need it for my business expenses.
Of course, here is your paper receipt. Let me step out and help you with your bags from the trunk.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help with the heavy luggage. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Good luck with your business meeting at the hotel. Goodbye.
That was a wonderful and practical dialogue, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Let's review some of the key phrases we used during the trip.
First, when hailing a taxi, we say taxi, or you can just wave your hand.
Right. And to specify your destination, you can say, "Can you take me to?" followed by the place name.
Yes, like, can you take me to the Grand Central Hotel, please?
Exactly. Next, we asked about the time. The passenger asked, "How long will it take?"
That is a very useful question to know if you are in a hurry.
Another important question is about the money. How much will it take? Or, how much do you think the fare will be?
Yes, the word fare means the price of the journey.
Then when it was time to pay, we asked, "Do you accept cards?" Or, "Do you accept credit cards?"
This is important because some taxis only take cash.
And finally, when you want to leave a tip, you can say, "Keep the change."
This means the driver can keep the extra money as a tip.
We also asked for a receipt by saying, "Could I have a receipt, please?"
Perfect. Practicing these A2 taxi phrases will make your travels much easier.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily English Conversations.
Yes, subscribe for more situational dialogues at all CFR levels.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English.